Subscribe to Man Mahila Ka and hit the bell icon for more such videos.
Welcome to our platform. Let us know more about you, sir, your journey, how did it all started? And to TED Talks.
Well, I never thought that I would ever become a motivational speaker. It was not there in my cards. I never thought that there would be a profession in motivational speaking, in fact. So it all started off as a motivational speaker in the year 2019, not very long time back, just about not even 3 years back, I would say.
Okay.
And when I got my first invitation to speak on a TEDx platform. And when I got the invitation, I was like, I couldn't believe it. I thought it's a spam mail. By mistake, it's come to me. For me, TEDx was a long, far-fetched dream. Something like, you see an astrologer going to space. So it was as far-fetched as that. They're standing the red dot and speaking. So I ignored that email, and after 4 days, I thought, I'm an officer and a gentleman. It's my moral responsibility to at least, my social obligation to at least write back that you have reached out to a wrong Muhammad Ali Shah. I'm definitely not the same person you are looking out for.
Okay.
So I wrote back after 4 days, and they had my mobile number. They called me up immediately. They said, no, sir, you are the person we are looking out for, and we want you to come and such things. And so they convinced me to come on the TEDx platform. And when I went there, within 15 minutes, Maninder, I received, I don't mean to sound pompous or blow my own trumpet. I'm just reporting what exactly happened there. So it was in Amritsar, and within 15 minutes, I ended up receiving 3 standing ovations during my talk. Not because I spoke well or anything, but because I feel something I said right, which connected with the audience over there.
Okay.
So they could resonate with that. And so my talk there was successful, and then I came back. And thereafter, in the TEDx community, through word of mouth, it spread. Within a week, I got a call from TEDx CMRTC Hyderabad. Within 10 days, TEDx NIT Raipur. And like that, ultimately in the year 2019, I think they probably would not have been any TEDx event which would happen in India, which had got a license, send me an invitation to speak. And that is how my journey to TEDx started. And that is how other foreign countries were inviting me over to come to their country and then speak on TEDx. And that is how I became an international TEDx speaker. And TEDx is I never knew this, but it enhances your brand as a speaker. Like before TEDx, I was the same speaker. I would deliver the same content almost. My journey was the same. But after giving TEDx, people start looking at me with a different point, with a different perception. Oh, he's a TEDx speaker, must be very good. Like that. And then, of course, by virtue of coming on TV as a defense analyst, so to say, they would like to call me a defense expert, which I'm not. I'm not an expert or anything, but they introduced me as a defense expert and as a social activist. I come on various aspects to speak on, which you can see on my YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube and put in Muhammad Ali Shah, you can see there are over almost 850 videos over there, and they keep increasing by the day. So that is how my journey as a speaker started, basically. I'm very happy that I'm speaking to you, and here again, it is as
Thank
a speaker.
Thank you. Thank you so very much, sir. It was lovely to hear that. You are a social activist. So how way you are like contributing to the society, this exact initiative you are attached to? Please let us know more about that initiative.
I have an online public speaking academy called It's for Effective Communication, where I train people about how to get rid of their stage fears. People who want to go on TEDx, I train them on that.
Okay.
And how they can be better public speakers, how they can get over their stage fright, how to speak on television, how to give interviews. So it's basically effective communication. I do it only online. So you can be based anywhere. You can be of any age group. You can be of any nationality. All you need is a good internet connection. That's about it. So when I enjoy it, I love it very, very passionately. It's very, very close to my heart. So that is how I am trying to make at least 0.1 difference to the society in whatever way I can, because I believe the society will not change unless and until we change our own selves.
Very
समाज
correct.
तब तक नहीं बदलेगा दोस्तों जब तक हम खुद अपने आप को ना बदल दें. So as Majdu Sultanpuri once said, मैं तो अकेले ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल, मैं तो अकेले ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. So that's what I've been doing.
बहुत बढ़िया सर. आपकी सर आपकी इंस्पिरेशन कौन है? Who is the person you take inspiration from?
I have always been inspired by my father. He's a very towering personality. He retired from the army as the deputy chief of the army staff, the #2 ranking officer of the Indian Army. And then he was the vice chancellor of the Aligarh Muslim University. So उनका मैं फौज में ADC भी रह चुका था. When I was in the army as a young captain, I was under his command. He was my boss, reporting to him. And I would salute him. I would call him sir. My mother was ma'am. She was Mrs. Shah. And my father's younger brother, he's an actor, Mr. Nasiruddin Shah. तो वो मेरे चाचा हैं. तो ये दो हैं जो हमारे खानदान में एक बड़ी टावरिंग पर्सनालिटी हैं. तो मैं जी हाँ इन दोनों से प्रेरणा लेता हूँ. And I believe when there's a will, there's a way only. नहीं. When there's a will, there are a lot of ways. And who says you cannot have the best of both worlds? You can. Who says you cannot have your cake and eat it too? भाई केक लिया है तो खाने के लिए ना लिया है ना. Have your cake and eat it too. Of course, have your cake. You're taking it to eat it only. No, you're not holding your cake just to give to. I mean, so that is how I experienced the short service commission in the army for 5 years.
Okay.
My father's footsteps. Thereafter, I did films. I acted in a movie called Heather, which won 5 national awards.
Wow,
did a film
I
called
wasn't
Bajrangi
knowing this.
Bhaijaan.
So I'm talking to a film actor now. Great.
So actually, anyway. So then Agent Vinod, and then the Tashkent Files, I got a chance to share the screen with my mentor and with Nasir Saab. In Tashkent Files, there are a couple of scenes where though they were all edited out and removed from the film, of course. And but they're there on YouTube. If you go to YouTube and put Muhammad Ali Shah Heather or Muhammad Ali Shah Bajrangi Bhaijaan or Muhammad Ali Shah Tashkent Files, you'll see the scenes over there. So yeah, so that is how. And then and theatre, I've been doing theatre. I've been doing stage with Nasir Saab, with Tom Walter. If you go to Sony Live, you'll find a web series over there called Avrodh, where I've played a para commando. It's on the surgical strikes. So Avrodh is with Amit Saad. So I have a different getup in most of these. In fact, on Z5, there is this film called Yara, directed by Tigmanshu Dhulia. So I am the parallel lead of this film with Vidyut Jambal. Then there's Amit Saad. Then there's Shruti Hassan with us. And I've played a cop and I've played a Sikh cop. So Mahendra, you'll be very interested in knowing this. In fact,
Yeah, I'll definitely look for that.
I spent a month in the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Education for my own self about life as well. So I thought if I live in Amritsar, I will learn Punjabi and I did Seva in the Golden Temple. I would wake up early morning at 3:55. By 4 o'clock, I used to be 4:10. I used to be making the early morning tea for everyone in the big deg, and I would pick up the dirty utensils, wash them, again lay the table, lay the bartan sab ke liye jhadu, pocha, safai karta tha wahan pe main. And I have completed. I take pride in the fact. मैंने दाढ़ी और केश उगाए थे मैंने, by the way, 2-2.5 साल, और लंबी दाढ़ी और लंबे केश हो गए थे मेरे. हाथ में कड़ा डाला, पूरे 5 के मैंने, और खुद 6 मीटर की पगड़ी मैंने खुद बनानी सीखी.
So, any one good social change you expect in the society, like
just do your bit. Just do your bit in whatever way you can. Respect ladies, respect women, and in turn you will get respect. And stay united. Don't don't divide. And because united we stand, divided we fall. And have respect for animals, have respect for humanity, have respect for this life that we have. So, and as I told you earlier, society will not change unless and until we change our own selves. So the change starts from now. So start now and don't procrastinate. आज नहीं कल से. अगर आपको फिटनेस फ्रीक बनना है तो फिटनेस फ्रीक बनिए आज से नहीं, अभी से. अगर आपको कुछ काम करना है बस कर डालिए, इंतजार मत करिए. आप इंतजार करेंगे, if you wait on, you'll keep on waiting. It will not happen. So you have to start from now, and you can become what you want to become. Trust me, the mind can achieve what can conceive. अगर आपको दिख रहा है होते हुए तो होएगा, पक्का होएगा.
क्या बात.
अगर आपको यकीन नहीं आ रहा है, but for that you have to have faith, you have to have belief, you have to feel that you can do it.
आपका सक्सेस मंत्रा क्या है सर?
Success mantra. That is a good one. I think I am not qualified to answer on that because मैं अपने आप को सक्सेसफुल मानता नहीं हूँ बिल्कुल भी. और जिस दिन मैंने अपने आप को सक्सेसफुल मान लिया तो उस दिन maybe I will stop growing, I will stop going further, because I feel the day you think you have arrived, you have nowhere to go. So I would say a success mantra for everybody would be keep growing, be a learner. There's no age to learning. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't get bogged down by others. देखो आपकी सक्सेस पे हर कोई खुश नहीं होएगा. कुछ लोग होंगे आपको नीचे खींचेंगे, और जब ऊपर चढ़े होंगे ना जिंदगी में, बहुत लोग हम ऐसे मिलेंगे जिंदगी में जो आपको नीचे खींचेंगे, और उनको पलट के जवाब नहीं देना है. You continue working up, you continue going up. अपने नाखून चट्टान में गाड़ गाड़ के आप ऊपर चढ़ते रहिए.
क्या बात है, बहुत ही अच्छे.
ऊपर चढ़ेंगे ना, और मनिंदर जब ऊपर चढ़ जाएंगे आप गौर करेंगे कि जो लोग आपको नीचे खींच रहे थे ना, ये अभी तक वहीं के वहीं है, और आप वहां ऊपर पहुंच गए हो. क्योंकि जो टांग खींचता है ना वो हमेशा नीचे रहता है या नीचे ही रहता है. और जब आप चट्टान में अपने गाड़ गाड़ के अपने हाथ ऊपर चढ़े होगे, आप देखोगे मजा आएगा, और वो उनको चलाने का तरीका होगा. दैट वुड बड़ा मजा आएगा, बड़ा मजा आएगा.
ग्रेट. क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं सर आप?
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो जितनी भी women हमें सुन रही हैं, जितनी भी ladies, all you lovely ladies who are sitting and listening to us, the one in the red top, yes, you only. नहीं नरेंद्र मैम, आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा मैं. ये मुस्कुरा रही हैं.
I'm not in red top.
पहचान गई, मैं इन्हीं की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Okay.
देखिए आप भी, और ये जो पानी पी रही हैं अभी बॉटल से. हाँ, तो आप सब सुनिए. ये है कि जब women empowerment की बात आती है ना, तो मैं कहता हूँ कि they don't need to be empowered. Why? Because they're already empowered. They are already empowered.
I totally agree.
And I feel a woman, a lady who decides to get married early in life, who decides not to work, not to be a career woman, फर्ज करिए, जरूरी है कि आपको career woman बनना है. इंद्रन हुई मेरे सुपर सीनियर हैं, आई एम कलकत्ता से, तो she became the boss of PepsiCo. अब जरूरी नहीं है कि a lady has to be working and has to be their boss. No. I feel a woman who has decided to get married early in life and decided not to work is also empowered, provided she has decided on her own. The decision is hers not to work. So she's empowered. Thirdly, let's accept the reality, the fact. भाई सुनिए, पूरी बात सुनिए. God created Adam and Eve. पहले दुनिया में Adam आया, मानना पड़ेगा. पहले तो the Adam came first. फिर God ने बोला, I think I can do better than that. And then he created Eve. And that is how Adam and Eve were born. But if life on this planet has to exist, we need both man and woman. So we cannot say a man is superior to a woman. फौज में, मैं फौज में था. Behind every successful man is a woman. सब जानते हैं ये बात.
Okay.
Now, फौज में बहुत कम लोग जानते होंगे कि a lady wife, an officer's wife, हमको सिखाया जाता है chivalry के बारे में, how to respect women, how to respect ladies. A lady wife is always 2 ranks ahead of the officer, of her husband.
Okay.
यानी कि अगर मैं मेजर साहब हुआ, मेरी वाइफ फौज में कर्नल साहब है.
Okay.
मेरे फादर आर्मी के लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल थे, तो मतलब मेरी वाइफ फील्ड मार्शल हुई. And when for my father, and if a general sahab walks into an officer's mess and he finds a lieutenant, the junior most ranking officer hota hai of the Indian Army, a lieutenant's wife, he will salute her and he will call her ma'am.
Oh wow.
इसे पता ही होती है फौज में लेडीज की, और क्योंकि हम लेडीज को इज्जत देते हैं, लेडीज हमको भी इज्जत देती हैं. It's all a give and take.
Absolutely.
And when
it's a matter of great pride for us to have you here, because you are a well-known face, and a kind of celebrity here. So
नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं
चलो
और ऐसा
anyhow
नहीं है, कहीं गलती से किसी और को कहीं बुला दिया, सोच के किसी और को उनको बुलाएंगे और बुला दिया मेरे को।
नहीं, आप ही को बुलाया और आप ही के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। Once again, big thanks from entire team of Man Melaka, sir. We are honored to have you here. Thank you for sparing time for us. Once again, big thanks, sir.